Jai Gurudev, dear students. Children, we have completed our chapter number 7, houses we live in. Okay, and last class I have explained you about the exercises of this chapter. So, I hope you have written all the exercises in your book, and whatever I have given you in notebook that you have to fill in the book. Hope you filled in the your notebook. So today, children, we will study about the new words. I'll explain you about the question answers also, and first we read out all the new words, and new words also you write in your copy EVS notebook, as well as you have to write question answers also in your EVS notebook. Okay, children, so let's read one by one. First new word is shelter. SHELTER, shelter. Second is kacha house. KACHCHAHOUSE, kacha house. And third is straw. STRAW, straw. Fourth is pakka house. PUCCA, pakka, HOUSE, house. Fifth word is bricks. BRICKS, bricks. Sixth word is cement. CEMENT, cement. And seventh word is temporary. TEMPORARY, temporary. Eighth word is caravan. CARAVAN, caravan. Ninth word is igloo. IGLOO, igloo. So after this, our next word is word number 10, stilt house. STILT, stilt, HOUSE, house, stilt house. 11th word is electrician. ELECTRICIAN, electrician. Word number 12 is architect. ARCHITECT, architect. Word number 13 is mason. MASON, mason. And LABOUR, labor. Word number 14 is PLUMBER, plumber. These are the 14 words, children. You have to write all the 14 words 2 times in your EVS notebook. Okay, in EVS copy you have to write 1 time in this way and draw a line here, and after again you write by saying every word so that you can pronounce it properly. If you not able to pronounce any word, you can rewind the video again and again, and you can say that you can see how I am saying all the words. Okay, and pronunciation is main important of all the words. So pronounce all these words and write them 2 times, twice. Okay. So next are the Answer the followings. Children, in answer the followings, question number 1 is name any 5 types of houses. So, in this answer, I have written 5 names. 5 types of houses are: number 1, tent; number 2, caravan; okay, number 3, igloo; number 4, stilt house; number 5, houseboat. Okay, children, I have written these 5 names in this answer. You can write your own also, the type of other houses, means kacha house, pakka house, or if you want to write other name, you can add those two also. Okay, so here you have to learn the name of any 5 houses. Next question is question number 2. How our house protect us? You know, children, how our house protect us? So its answer is our house protect us from sun, cold, rain, bad weather, wild animals and thieves. Okay, what are thieves? चोर, चोरों से भी बचाता है, okay, हमारा घर. And our house protect us from these all the harsh conditions. Means when we feel so hot, then we go inside the house. Okay, during summer season, you know, outside everywhere is so hot. At that time we feel comfortable in our home only. So inside the house we feel comfortable, and during the winter season we feel so cold. So at that time also we go inside and we close all the windows and doors so that we feel warm inside, and we protect means this house protect us from these all the conditions. Even rainy season also, you know, when rain comes we run inside, and that time we protect ourselves from the rainwater. And during bad weather comes under that when sometimes storms coming, जब तूफान आते हैं या कोई भी वेदर कंडीशन खराब होती है, तो हमें अपना घर ही सेफ लगता है, एंड वी go inside the house. And even from the wild animals also, I mean sometimes in some areas wild animals also move in the on the roads and streets. So people generally they feel safe inside their houses at that time, and our house protect us from the thieves also. Okay, चोरों से भी हमें हमारा घर बचाता है. Next, question number 3 is, where do you find kacha house? Children, here in this question, what they ask that where do you find kacha house? आप कच्चा हाउस आपने कहाँ देखा, आपको कहाँ देखने को मिलता है? Have you seen kacha house anywhere? So answer number 3 is, we can find kacha house in villages. Children, when we go any village, village means गांव, किसी भी गांव में जब हम जाते हैं तो वहाँ पे हम इजीली कच्चे हाउस देख सकते हैं. ओके, सो कच्चा हाउस वी कैन फाइंड इन villages. Okay, so this is our answer number 3. So next question is, question number 4 is, name the materials used to make pakka house. So children, you know pakka house is a strong house. So material also should be stronger, which we use to make these houses, pakka houses. So what are the different materials? Pakka houses are made of bricks, cement, wood and iron. Okay. So children, you know these all the materials are very strong materials, and pakka houses are made up of these materials. Bricks means inte. Okay. And cement you know, and wood lakdi, and iron means लोहा, और जो हम यूज करते हैं बिल्डिंग बनाने में. तो these all the materials we use to make a pakka house. So our question number 5 is, write the name of 5 people who help us to build a house. Children, in question number 5 they ask about the 5 people, 5 helpers, okay, who help us to make a house or build a house. We have studied in the last part of our this chapter number 7 about those helpers. Okay, so you can write here also name of any 5 people which help us to build our house. So answer number 5 is, 5 people are: number 1 painter, number 2 electrician. You know children, painter always paints our house. Okay, after completion, when we build our house, that time we need painter to paint the house. And second is electrician, who do this wiring work, and who put fans, tube lights, and all the electrical fitting is done by this person who is called electrician. Okay, जिसको हम बोलते हैं बिजली वाला. Okay, so third person is architect. Children, before making our house, we should go to architect. Means we have to go to this architect so that it can make a rough design, a rough idea of our house, and on the basis of its drawing we can build our house. He is the person who tells us that which room we have to make where in the house. Okay, and according to its drawing, when it makes drawing on the page, at that time we use that drawing to make the layout of our house. Okay, so fourth one is mason and labor. You know, mason means that person who join the bricks, जिसको हम मिस्त्री बोलते हैं. ओके, ये ब्रिक्स को सीमेंट एंड सैंड के साथ ज्वाइन करके वॉल्स को बनाते हैं. ओके, एंड लेबर मीन्स जो डेली वेजेस पे मैसन की हेल्प करते हैं. मीन्स दीज लेबर पर्सन, दे ओनली bring all the materials, they mix sand, cement and all these materials, and they help this mason to build our house. And fifth one is plumber. Plumber means this is the person who fits pipes, taps, even whatever that things are joined with the water pipes, that all fitting is done by this person who is called plumber. So children, I have written these 5 names. You can write your own. Also you can write another name also. You can write here carpenter also. Okay, if you can. And in your this book also, you see we have studied about these 5, because these 5 names are given in your book. So I have written these 5 mentioned in the question, means in the answer. So other than these persons also, so many persons are there who help us to build our house. So children, this is about the question answers, and after this you write down all the question answers in your EVS notebook. Okay, all the 5 question answers today I have explained you, and write down in your EVS notebook. Okay, and exercises part I have explained you before this class. In the last class we have done already. Exercise means in the form of match the columns and true or false we have done already, which these one, okay, you have written already. So today you write question answers. I'll send you pics of these question answers and these new words also. Okay, and you write down. If you want to write by watching the video, you can write. Otherwise I'll send you pics also, and you take help from those pics and complete your copy, EVS copy, side by side. Okay children, so Jai Gurudev.